Here it is. Keep coming. Keep coming. Look, Sasha. It's your birthday present. It's a kitchen. What do you think? Look, Sasha. Look at it. Look what you can do. Just like Mommy and Daddy's kitchen. Especially Mommy's. You can make eggies. Look, Sasha, it's a sink.
When someone gives you a present, you say thank you.
Can you say thank you? Yeah.
You like it?
Oops. Here, you want to pull off the bow, Sasha?
Yeah.
Good.
Good job.
Look, there's pots and pans and salt and pepper. That's right. You like it? You like it, Sasha?
I want to show it.
What's that?
I want water.
Yeah, you want water?